Greetings.
Good morning. How are you today? Hi. Nice to see you again.
Talking about the weather.
It's a sunny day today. I think it might rain later.
Ordering food.
I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Can I have a small pizza with extra cheese?
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, how do I get to the nearest bus stop? Is there a pharmacy around here?
Describing activities.
I enjoy reading books in my free time. They are playing soccer in the park.
Talking about family.
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. My mom is a teacher, and my dad works at the hospital.
Expressing likes and dislikes.
I love chocolate ice cream. I don't really like broccoli.
Making plans.
Let's meet at the coffee shop at 3 p.m. I'm thinking about going to the movies this weekend.
Expressing gratitude.
Thank you for helping me with my homework. I really appreciate your kindness.
Apologizing.
I'm sorry for being late. Please forgive me for the mistake.
Giving directions.
Go straight, and then turn left at the traffic light. It's on the corner, next to the post office.
Talking about the time.
What time is it? I have to wake up early tomorrow.
Shopping.
How much does this shirt cost? I'd like to buy a new phone.
Expressing surprise.
Wow, that's amazing. I can't believe you did that.
Talking about hobbies.
I enjoy painting landscapes. He likes playing the guitar.
At the doctor's office.
I'm not feeling well. I have a fever and a sore throat. The doctor prescribed some medicine for my cough.
At the grocery store.
I need to buy some milk, eggs, and bread. Where can I find the cereal aisle?
Talking about work.
I have a meeting at 2 p.m. My job is to answer phone calls and emails.
Discussing weekend plans.
What are you doing this weekend? I'm planning to visit my grandparents on Saturday.
Complimenting someone.
You look nice in that dress. Your cooking is always delicious.
Describing emotions.
I'm so happy that I passed my exam. She felt sad when her pet ran away.
Discussing travel.
I want to travel to Paris someday. Have you been to the beach before?
Talking on the phone.
Hello. Who is calling? Can I speak to Sarah, please?
Making future plans.
Let's go to the amusement park next month. I'm thinking about taking a vacation in the summer.
Asking for help.
Can you help me carry these bags? I don't understand this math problem. Can you explain it to me?
Talking about pets.
I have a cute puppy named Max. Cats are very independent animals.
Discussing movies or TV shows.
I watched a great movie last night. What's your favorite TV show?
Ordering coffee or tea.
I'd like a large coffee with cream and sugar, please. Do you have any herbal tea options?
Expressing excitement.
I can't wait for my birthday party. The concert is going to be awesome.
Talking about dreams.
Last night, I had a strange dream about flying. Sometimes dreams can be very vivid.